Today is 29th April, International Dance Day, which is a global celebration of dance promoted by the International Dance Council (CID) and the International Theatre Institute. The purpose of this observation is to raise awareness of dance as an art form, as a means of cultural expression and as an educational tool. We, the members of Ramakrishna Sharada Mission Vivekananda Vidya Bhavan Srijoni Dance Club, have prepared a short performance to observe this special day today. Let us pledge to make this beautiful art form a part of our lives. Remember, dance keeps us fit, healthy and happy, regardless of age, gender or cultural background. Happy World Dance Day.
আছে বন্ধু আছে নদীতে তুফান আছে বন্ধু আছে তার যে শেষ আছে বন্ধু আছে তার যে শেষ আছে বন্ধু আছে হাতে